I'm calling this one Mammon Monday, guys. So I had to think of a word that started with M to go with Monday. And I've definitely come across some Mammon the last week. I got quite a few Zippos here. Just want to go through them real quick here so this video is not very long. And I've got them arranged according to their age, from oldest to newest. This is a used one. This one's called a Marlboro Storming Scroll. This is a December 2002. The insert is a November, and as you can tell, this one is used. December 02. I like this one quite a bit. That metal attached to the front of the lighter gives it quite a bit of heft. This is the oldest one. This is one of only two that are used. The rest are unused. Next one is a 2007 Royal Blue Matte. And it's an October. Oops, sorry about that. I'm looking at my cheat sheet over here. This is an October 2007 Royal Blue Matte. There's the stamps on the bottom. Sticker intact on the back. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. With the original price sticker on it. The next one is the 2013 Steampunk. Thought this one was pretty unusual. This one's definitely been used. It's a February 2013. It's been used. And the liner matches. It is a February 13. Not the liner, but the insert. That one's pretty cool. Shows quite a bit of patina on that brass as well. Next one is the 2013 3D Abstract. That's what they're calling this one. Here's the box on this one. 3D Abstract. This one doesn't have a sticker. But it's obvious that it's brand new. Still has a little paper between the wheel and the flint. I don't know if that's actually the way they come when they're brand new, or if the seller put that in there. Let's see. The case is Okay, the case and the insert are both March. The insert and the case match on these are both March 2013. Next one is a January 2015. This is called Red Flame. Still has a sticker on it. No box with this one. Number 6, let's see. (2015) Zippos Shield. Zippos Shield. Of course, the sticker is on the box rather than on here. This is February 2015. The case and the insert are both 2015. You can see it's new. There's the B, February. If we can get it to show up there. There we go. February 2015. Number 7 is the 2018, August 2018 USA American flag skull and crossbones. This one's still in the package. And we can shake it down there in the package and see that it is August 2018. Next one, number 8, American flag as eagle is how they list it. This is a November 2018, still sealed in the package. This is one of my favorites right here. Let's see. Number 9. This is a new January 2019 with a February insert. Second Amendment. I like the color on this quite a bit. It's dark olive green. It's got the Second Amendment printed right there on the front. Love that. January 2019. This one's brand new. Never been struck. Let's see. Like I said, insert February. February 19. Then number 10 is another American Eagle. American Eagle flag. This is a 2019 October. The insert is from September. Again, brand new, never struck. like the case this comes in. The back can pivot out and act as an easel. And then the last one, November of 2019. Flags and metal. Still has the original price sticker on the front there, and still has the sticker intact on back. There we go. That's my first half of my MAMMON Monday. The second half is the knife doctor's fault. He mentioned running across some Swiss Army knives on clearance at Academy. So I went by my local Academy today, and lo and behold, I got a SAK of SAKs. Got 3 orange SD classics, 3 green SD classics, and an Alux Cadet. All of them for half price. Can't beat that. So thanks to the knife doctor for making everyone aware of that. Everybody hit up your Academy if you're into Swiss Army knives. Grab them up. They make great presents. All right, y'all. That's it. Hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments.